You wake up, and it's still dark. You check the clock, it's noon. You step outside, and the sun is gone. Not hidden behind clouds. Gone. Where it should be, there's just another star, no brighter than the rest. The Earth has been torn loose from its orbit and is falling into the dark. And for the first time in 4.5 billion years, there will be no sunrise tomorrow. No sunrise ever again. Only one thing still reaches the planet from outside. The faint, 2.7-degree hiss of the Big Bang itself, soaking through the dark in every direction. The Earth has become a rogue planet, and it is now the loneliest world in existence. How could this even happen? The solar system feels eternal, fixed, safe. It isn't. Our galaxy is full of moving stars, and every so often, one wanders too close. A passing star, even from light years away, can reach in with its gravity and unpick the careful orbits of the planets. Maybe it shoves Jupiter inward, and Jupiter slingshots the Earth out. Maybe it grabs the Earth directly. Either way, our planet picks up just enough speed to break free of the sun forever. We don't fall into the sun, we fall away from it, faster and faster, until our own star is just one more cold point of light behind us. And then, one day, no telescope on Earth can tell it from all the others. The leash is cut. We are an orphan world. The first thing you'd feel is the cold. Within a week, the global average temperature drops below freezing. Within a year, it approaches minus 100 degrees Celsius. Rain turns to snow, and then the snow stops because the air itself is too cold to hold water. The oceans freeze from the top down. First a skin of ice, then meters, then kilometers. Photosynthesis ends. Plants die within weeks. The entire surface food chain collapses in a single season. And in the deepest cold, the unthinkable happens. The atmosphere itself begins to freeze, oxygen and nitrogen snowing down onto the ice as the sky quietly falls to the ground. But the Earth does not die completely. Ice is an insulator. Kilometers beneath the frozen surface, liquid water remains, warmed from below by the heat of the Earth's own core, the same radioactive heat that's kept our planet alive for billions of years. On the floor of those buried oceans, hydrothermal vents keep burning in total darkness, feeding creatures that never needed the sun in the first place. Life on Earth began in places like these, and it could end in them too, sealed in the dark, drifting between the stars, the last warm place on a frozen world. And what of us? A handful of people might hold on, clustered around geothermal vents, deep mines, nuclear reactors, anywhere heat can still be wrung from the dying planet. But surviving isn't the same as living. We are built around the sun. We wake and sleep by it. We grow our food by it. We tell time and find our place by a sky that no longer moves. In endless night, with no horizon and no dawn, the mind starts to come apart. We know what isolation does to people. In polar winters, in solitary cells, in caves where they lose all track of the days. Now imagine it for everyone, forever. The silence would start to sound like something. People would see light where there's only shadow. The dark wouldn't just kill the body with cold, it would erode the mind with nothingness. and the Earth keeps moving. Slowly, silently, it drifts past the last edge of the solar system, past the comets, into the true dark, the starless gulf between the stars. The nearest sun is light years away, and at the speed we're traveling, reaching it would take longer than all of recorded history, many times over. The Earth becomes a ghost ship, a tomb of rock and ice carrying the frozen ruins of every city, every ocean, every life that was ever lived, adrift in the vast dark between the campfires of the cosmos. The galaxy doesn't notice. The universe doesn't care. Our world, which once felt like the center of everything, becomes exactly what every other rogue planet already is, invisible and alone. Some worlds are born in the dark. The Earth would have to fall into it. We've always treated the sky as permanent, the sun as a promise. It isn't. It's just an arrangement. And arrangements can be broken. Subscribe for a new hostile world every week.